Okay guys, I'm gonna quickly produce something, kick off my adventures. This is a M&M's candy fan, and I've just cut the fan off. It still works. I've just cut the fan off here, this section, and I've taken off the M&M man, and yeah, painted it silver for something else. Needed a dental tool or something, can't remember exactly, but I'm just gonna pimp it out. This is a junction box for a wire thing. This is a little old latch. Put a big button on this. You have like dual buttons. Now this thing used to come in a container and it used to shoot light into these things. You can get them at Kmart. They're $2 a go. They're awesome. I'm not going to glue this on, I'm just going to stick it on with glue tack, because if I need to change the batteries, or if I want to change the colour of my device, I could just put another one of these on. Maybe it's a lockpicking device. Some sonic lockpicking device. It's 2 in the morning and I really don't want to paint this at the moment because I'm lazy, and also because it's 2 in the morning. But I think it actually is already done. And we'll talk to you guys very soon, tomorrow night, for another